You can efficiently create high quality content, grow your audience, potentially earn $2,000 per month on YouTube. Remember, consistency and creativity is key to building a successful channel. Welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a video with AI and make $2,000 per month on YouTube. And if this is what you want to see and this is what you want to know, please do well to stay to the end of this video. Do not click out yet, because if you click out, you will not know how I'm going to show you how you can make money with YouTube. Now, the first thing you are going to do to unlock the power of artificial intelligence to boost your YouTube channel and generate a steady income by following these simple steps I'm going to show you in this video. If this is what you are interested to know, please do well to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and also like this video, because if you like it, it's a way of saying thank you for showing you the secret of making money on YouTube. The first thing you are going to do is to first of all research and plan your content. What type of content do you want to start creating? What type of content do you want to make? And what niche are you particularly interested in? Starting by identifying your niche and researching trending topics within it, the niche that you want to go into. First of all, look for the trending topic in that niche. Use AI tools to analyze, viewers' preference and generate ideas for engaging content that resonates with your target audience. What do I mean by use AI? AI tools like Canva. You can use Canva to search, okay, I want to go into this niche, or the AI tools that you can use to search or to look for the search to research. You can use Canva, you can use ChatGPT, you can also use Google to research the type of niche that you want to go into. The second thing is script writing with AI. Script writing with AI, when you want to script write with AI, utilize AI-powered writing assistant to help you draft compelling scripts. And these tools can provide suggestion and also improve clarity and ensure your content is both informative and captivating. The third one, leverage AI-based graphic designs software to create eye-catching thumbnails and also engage visuals. Then these tools can help you design a professional and quality images, and that will attract viewers to your videos. There are a lot of AI-based graphic design softwares that you can use. Like the popular ones everybody use is Canva. Canva helps you to easily design an eye-catching thumbnail for your video. So you can also leverage on Google to research other AI tools that you can use to create your thumbnail and for it to stand out with other content creators. The fourth one is video editing. Use AI driving video editing softwares to streamline the editing process. These tools can automatically enhance video qualities, add subtitles, and this type of tool can even suggest edits to improve engagement. So the type of video editing software that you can use to streamline your editing process. For example, I use CapCut and some other people use InShot. You can also use Canva and every other tools that you can find comfortable, but these ones are the ones I know that they are free. You don't pay in all these three software I mentioned. You don't pay. Some other software will say you should pay because you will be able to access their tools to be able to edit your video. The fifth one is for you to optimize SEO, search engine optimization. Apply AI tools to enhance your video description. Apply AI tools. When you want to upload your video after you have finished creating your video, finish editing it. When you want to upload it, make sure that the keyword you entered in your title, in your description, and in your tag area, ensure they are optimized for search engines. Like people can easily find them when they are searching for them on YouTube page, when they are searching for them on YouTube homepage, and when they are searching for them on Google. They can easily, immediately they type the keyword, your video will be able to pop up, and from there, their video will be your video will be viewed. This will help you to increase visibility and also attract more viewers to your channel. The next one is promote with AI. Use AI to analyze your audience data and personalize your, marketing effort. This can include a targeted ad, personalized email campaign, and social media strategies that maximize your search. Promote with AI. There are ways that you can promote your video with AI. Use other tools. There are other tools that where you can share your link, your video link, share to other social media, to enable people to attract audience to your channel. Then the seventh one, which is the most important one, because when you're making the video, the aim of you making the video is for you to, for you to be able to make money, and which is monetize your channel. Once you have a steady, stream of content and viewers, explore ways to monetize your channel through ads, through sponsor content, and monetize. There are other ways, many ways that you can easily monetize your channel by joining YouTube partnership program, and also by engaging with your community, by posting your affiliate links to your channel, and also sell your products. There are other things that you can do. Okay, let's say you have an e-commerce store. You can as well bring that product link and put it on the YouTube space, so that anybody that come to your page or to your channel, they will be able to see that product and click there, go to your store on ST and purchase that product. You can also, create a community where people can super chat you, where people can also gift you. There are other ways that you can be able to engage with your followers is by going live, go live, stream live, and a lot more. Then AI can help you identify the most lucrative opportunity based on your audience interest. When you incorporate all these tools and techniques, you can efficiently create a high quality content, grow your audience, and potentially earn $2,000 or more per month on YouTube. Remember, consistency and creativity is key to building a successful channel. If you get value in this video, please do well to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and also like this video. That is the most important thing. Like and share this video for others to see. See you in my next video. Bye.